ngayon ay pupunta kami sa Moscow City at maghanap kami ng hapunan kasi hindi pa kumain si Aurora, kagigising lang. Where are you going, Inday?
We're going to playground.
Playground? It's raining. Raining outside, Inday. Raining outside later. Oh. Wow! Nice flowers. Blooming na yung aking mga bulaklak. Hanggang doon, umuulan ngayon. Hindi mainit, kaya umuulan. Yan, ganda ng bulaklak. Oh, bloom na bloom. Ay, tsura mo, rain, go away. Oh, just wait a minute. Ang lakas din ng ulan mula kahapon. Magdamag na ulan at hanggang ngayon, hindi pa humuhupa yung ulan. Ayan. Pero napakaganda kasi magbo-blooming yung aking mga bulaklak. Hindi na madidiligan. We're waiting to Mommy and Daddy. Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
Yes, you're excited? It's raining. Take out your eyeglasses. No sun. Alright, just like that. Oh, put it here. Because it's raining, right? Say hi. Excited? Like that. Oh, wow, nice. Where are you going?
Muddy.
Patalon-talon sa park? Oh, we're waiting to Papang here. Oh my God, it's raining, right? Raining. Yan, si Inday. Hello, Inday. We're gonna call Papa.
Papa.
Hi, Papa.
Hi, Papa.
Ay, Inday. Inday. Hi. Actually, nag-lipstick. Oh, 4 na. Lang. Oh. Ano, be? Happy face niya? Oh, cute naman yan. Ay, ganon.
Crab.
Parang
Zombie.
Zombie. Zombie. Ay. Happy face. Cute. How about cute? Cute. Ay. Walang magawa si Mami. At saka si Mamang. No? No? Louder ah. Kumakanta si Inday. I'm a Barbie girl. Nga? Oh.
Can I just say something crazy? I was thinking the same thing because I've been searching my whole life to find my own place. Or maybe it's the party talking or chocolate fondue. Gumagano'n kasi si Anna dun.
Oh, kaya pala.
But with you, I found my place. I know it's crazy. We finish each other. That's what I was gonna say. Jinx again. I meant to say conversation can have but one explanation. You just meant to be.
Wow. Wow, may tono ah. Ah, grabe na.
Wow. Yay. Good job.
Good job, Ari.
Awesome.
Lakas ng ulan. Kahit umuulan, gagala si Inday. Gagala ikaw, Inday? Kahit umuulan? Yes. Sabi ko, mag-shopping tayo mamaya eh. Wala na, i-close na ang ano.
Hanggang 8 ang mall today.
Ah, hanggang 8? Oh, may time tayo. Oh, dito na ang Moscow City Park. Lagi-lagi kami dito ni Aurora. Kasi andyan lahat. Ay, doon oh, may kain-kain doon. Diyan ba yun?
Saan ba na ako nila mo?
Basta. Hindi ko alam saan banda. Papunta na to sa Kwan eh. Sa Canada Day. Ayun si Kirby.
Si Kirby.
Sasakyan niya yun, di ba?
Ayan. Yung tent na yun.
Ayan.
Ikot dun.
Ikot.
Baka may parking.
Baka walang...
Dito na.
Ah, may parking na lang
Dito,
tayo.
dito na lang?
Oo. Kasi malapit lang pala, oh. Yan, oh. Marami pang empty. Tito? Have you seen Tito? Tito's car. Yeah daw. Serious?
Ano yung Chloe? Wala naman kayo ngayon, di ba?
Chloe. Are you excited, Inday? Wow. Tito's coming.
Wala ko sa
Oh. Heavy rain since yesterday. 2 days na, 2 nights and 2 days already. Kaya nga eh. What is that?
Gusti ka.
May mga display pagkain. Dito. Panda garden dito. Pansit with coconut champagne. Look at Mama there. Ay, where's Mommy? There. Where's Tito? Ay, masana to.
Hey, galing.
Wow!
Pasada yung ano na.
Lalamig yan. Ayan, yung siomay niya. Ulan, lalaki ng siomay ti ha. Saka yung kwanton. Kwanton. At saka yung
Fork na. Kuha ka nga ba yung fork, please?
at yung
Wala ba daw kay Mama?
ketchup na.
Olo.
Basa. Basa dyan. Nag-a-absorb eh. Okay lang. Lang ah.
Saktan? Para na. Basta ba yan? Basta din to isa ko. Wala na, ano yun.
Happy Father's Day to Daddy. And Papang. Daddy and Papang. Basang-basa akong
Kasi
puwit.
may lechon, may lechon dyan.
Meron. Nag-absorb sa puwit.
Ako na.
Yung,
Ikaw na ba yun?
15.
Oh, dahil Father's Day. Ano yan? Maglilibre si Chris. May rice na yun, te.
Yung walang rice ka mo, para madami mo siya.
Mahingi ka tayo.
Sabihin mo walang rice.
Meron.
May rice talaga. Uy, isang
Sabihin
set
mo,
na.
Sabihin mo, may
walang
baon
rice.
kami.
Sabihin mo,
Sabihin mo.
ang kunti lang rice.
Wala na. Pumasok ka, may experience ka. Wala.
Wala. Ano? Dati helper lang. Oh, hanggang natuto.
Kahit pa saan.
Normal na. Oh,
Parang mga na.
ay, ngayon ano lang, yung puro lang nakatingin. Pero yung boss trabaho.
Mas may naisip. Okay lang.
Open.
Dan stepper.
Latag niya sa
Ah,
imo, ha?
Sila kayo, Mark? Sila kayo,
Ikaw
Mark?
lang lang.
Linggo. Oh, Bisaya.
Apa, unso, oh?
Ang kalaban namin sa Dominic.
Dominic. Ah, si Dominic.
Oo, siya.
Si ano, kunin mo yung malaki pa sa open. Yung
Oo nga, kasi ang need ng ano ba, yung pinsan ko, si Joseph na eh. Sabi ko, binigyan ng sapatos ni Jesus. Pero kausapin ko ba yun?
ano kasi maano si Stabber eh. Maraming pera.
Bon?
Mati Pilias.
Hi, lang lang.
Ay,
Hi guys.
Hi, mama.
sabihin mo.
Ay, laki ng mukha.
Click here. Subscribe.
Ay, click. Click here.
Subscribe. Click here.
Ayaw niya yung palabas.
Tumigil na, tapos na rin yung ano.
Tapos na rin yung program. Tapos na yung ulan.
Wala kayo na, ang kanina nga, Ay, good.
Maha.
Leche flan.
Ay, maha. Leche plan.
Kada kong litsiplan. Bisan buhat ang sila rin yan.
Tekman mo to.
Si Pauline master dito eh sa leche flan.
Teka.
Sa superstar siguro.
Pag may natira pa yun, mag-uwi kayo sa ama.
Ito yung leche plan ng Mama Panda. $10 lang. $10 lang. $10. $10 lang. O, tignan nyo. Ang laki at ang kapal. Mmm! Grabe! Creamy! Isa pa. Mmm! Parang namang, ang sarap! Makakalimutan mo talaga yung pangalan mo pag matikman mo. Grabe, ang sarap!
Parang litsiplan.
Oh, parang leche plan.
lasang leche flan.
How about sa lechon? Lechon naman. Ito.
Lechon
Ito yung
belly.
lechon belly to. Pa natin. Saw natin sa maanghang. Mm. Mm. Grabe, ang harap. Kaya, bukas, Father's Day, punta tayo sa Panda Garden. Doon tayo kakain. Samahan nyo kami.
I go, baby.
Oh, sarap.
Oo nga, uwi natin kasi si Oren may
Kahinga na kapil.
Sa baon ni Ori, tikim.
Kini yung kainit. Kini kainit. Init no? Init.
Init pang sabaw. Wonton. Ang sarap. Parang ang daming maiste.
Hi friend lang. Hi friend. Hi.
Sarap. Ang daming bumibili. Heritage Day ngayon. Kaya andito kami. Hindi ko nga alam, sumama lang ako sa kanila. Ayan, si Aurora. Ayan, kumakain ng lollipop.
Yummy.
O give you lang. Friend? Give you? Oh! Your friend! Ayan! Uuwi na kami, tapos na ang heritage. Ngayon, heritage daw na occasion. Uuwi na kami ni Bossing. Kasi may pasok to. Ako walang pasok hanggang bukas. We'll give you lollipop.
Friend.
Friend? Wow! May friend na siya! Did you say thank you?
Thank you.
Oh, yeah, thank you. Oh, sweet naman. May friend ka na, ha?
Yung puti na may-ari ng isang food truck.
Ay, yun ang nagbigay.
Yung isa may ano, curry.
Hindi, isa may ano.
Sa curry. Chicken. Sa chicken.
Yes, I cannot find it.
What? Your friend there? No, it's not your friend. Friend daw niya yun.
Lahat naman friends yan.
Oh,
There.
yes, over there. They're gone.
Nagbigay pa si Tina.
Ngayon ay...
Double check mo yung
Saan
card
tayo
mo dyan,
pupunta?
ma'am. Chinek ko na pero wala eh. Oh, dun po.
Pupunta tayo sa mall. 8 yung mall ngayon, te? Sure ka?
So,
Ano ngayon? Sabado ngayon eh.
Always na.
check.
Kasama si Aurora at idadrop kami ni Daddy. At pipick upin tayo ni Papang mamaya.
Saka ano din ako dun, 80.
Laki ng Sanman Pomeroy. Sanman Pomeroy. Pomeroy Hotel. Ito yung
Matagal ko lang
makikita.
kilala yan. Hindi na nagbago.
Let's go! We're here na! Oo. Basa. Normal lang. Basa eh. Umuulan eh. Run na, run. Run na ikaw. We're here.
Hi, mommy. Hi, guys.
Let's go.
Ang good. Hmm? Mm-mm. What is that? Ang good one. Elephant. The elephant on it?
This one is not working. Oh, not that's why I just covered. How about those? These ones are very slow, just walking speed. Is that fine?
Oh. Okay, dawan natin.
Slow? Yeah, sure.
The elephant.
So, slow daw.
Hmm? Ayaw niya man.
You want the little one?
Kasi maliit eh. Ito ba, kaya niya ba?
Ayaw niya.
Mabilis.
Tayong dalawa. Kami dalawa.
You want this one? You choose this one or that one over there? Which one?
Elephant?
You want
The
this one?
elephant, okay.
Elephant.
So
Kami
make
dalawa.
sure you are not allowed to go inside any store and food court. You have to ride with her on it and down with her on. And you are not allowed to park inside.
Ako nga.
Get on.
Ori! Ay, mama.
Yeah, hi, mommy.
Is it fun lang? It's so fun. Hi!
Ay, mama. Oh,
Say hi, mommy here.
Ito kami yun, ha?
Okay.
Ilang minutes na yan?
10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Mm.
Yeah. At punta kami doon sa malayo.
Ari!
Mami daw, mami. Where's mami daw? Balik pagkabata. Si mama.
Let's go?
We're done na? Mag-off lang to, di ba?
Hindi. Pag sumobra, magbayad extra.
Oh,
Sige na, let's go na.
let's go. We're done. You want to ride? Okay, ride. Try. Try it. Try niya muna. Yan ang inano niya. Naunahan siya kanina eh. Sige, sit down. Oh. Here. Look, mama. Oh, yan yung ginaano niya kanina. Naunahan lang siya. Look. Oh, let's go na. Bye.
Bye, elephant.
Bye na elephant. Ah, okay.
That later. Let's buy toys first, okay? Okay.
Wow.
We'll come back to that.
What's that? It's not a toys. Na. Valiente. Hallmark.
Si Sven pala yun.
Ah? Ano?
Si Sven.
Yan? Alam niya?
Sven pangalan niya.
Oh, kaya pala.
Who's that?
How about this one? Hmm?
Yan kasi nasa ano yan sa Frozen.
Sa Frozen.
What's Frozen?
Let's go. There's Frozen over there, oh.
Come on na.
Mga princess doon.
There's Frozen over there.
Ula, ti. Kuy, makabasag yan, ti.
Where? Where? Where's the princess? What's that?
Display.
Cinderella.
Ganda. Ang mahal naman na. Naglaki. 310?
Ganda nito.
Oh my God.
Kilala niya yan lahat. Oh, who's this? Who's this?
It's
It's
Tiana.
this one.
It's Bill.
This one.
It's Jasmine.
This one.
It's Cinderella.
This one.
It's Moyan.
This one.
Aurora.
Oh,
that one, that one.
Aurora.
This one. Who's this?
It's
It's
Ariel
Oh, Ariel.
and
who's that?
Maleficent.
Huh? That's not Maleficent. That's Ursula.
Ursula. Moyan. And Elsa.
This one.
Snow White. Aurora. Snow White
This one.
and Aurora.
Oh.
Ayun si Maleficent lang, oh. So ngayon si Maleficent eh. There's Maleficent. Oh, where's Maleficent? There, oh. There. Who's that?
Maleficent.
Si Maleficent.
I got
Cinderella. Who's that coming? Who's that coming? Over there. Over there. There. There, Papang. There. You run. Papang. Oh, you don't know? There, Papang. This side. This side. Lang. This side. Go na, Papang. There. Oh, where's Papang? Where's Papang? Yeah. Hey, Papang. Oh, naka-blue. Over there. Run. There. Oh, there. Go na, Papang. There. La. Go na, Papang. Papang. Look. Wala ka nga nakitaan. Libot-libot pa yung mata. Hanap kami ng underwear ni Aurora. Ang cute naman yan. Aurora! Nice. Malalaki na yan, Tino. What's up? Hello, tita, namoy mong anak. Pag-ano naman, miss nagbulak. Then, kay Papang Abay, kasi Father's Day, mamimili tayo ng regalo kay Papang Abay, Adidas. At saka yung kanyang pantalon. Terno yan. Head to foot. We're sorry. Oy! Where's Aurora? Let's go na. Oh, grabe na. What are you eating?
Ice cream.
Did you say thank you? Strawberry. Wow, let's go na. Did you say thank you to Papa? How about the small one there? You want to write? Over there? That one? Careful. Slide. Oh, I told you. No, 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 ah. Oh, what naman? Is that working? Huh? Is that working?
The water.
Sus, ilang pinili niya. Beep, beep. Where are you going, Inday? Magdadrive na talaga? Ang bata? Hi! Where is Aurora? Oh! Oh, cute naman. Where's Aurora? Wow! Bilis nakapasok ah. Oh, lahat sakyan. Oh, so fast. Where's Aurora? Aww. Beep, beep. Lo, what's that long? Hello. Where's Papa? Let's go na. Bye-bye. Your shoes, Inday. No, no. Where's Papa?
Help! Help!
No, no money. You ask Papang, go. You ask money. There. There, Papang, oh. There, Inday. Where's Papang? How about the airplane? Airplane, go to airplane. There, go, go, faster. You run there. Airplane. Go, faster. Oh. Air service. Oh. 24 hours. Ah. Is that airplane? Oh. Nice ah.
Airplane.
Bye-bye airplane.
The airplane.
Bye-bye airplane. Where are you going now? There. The horse. Here, here. Di na magkasya. That's for baby na. You're not baby na. Wala. Hindi magkasya. Hindi magkasya, oy. Okay, stand up. Horse na, sa horse na. Let's go na. Mickey Mouse, oh. Oh, let's go na. Naipasok si Papa. Okay, let's go na, Papa.
I don't like it.
Step 1, 2, 3. How about the star? Color green. From here. Okay. Going.
Lang. Ari, can you do the crab?
Crab. Crab. Show to mommy.
The crab, can you do the crab? Let's go.
Bye-bye, Papa. Uy, bye-bye kay Papang, uy. Ganda yun. Are you happy? Ganda, ganda yun, oh. Okay. Mas nindo. Diyan, oh, lang sa unahan. Tapunta tayo. Anuhin mo yung bata. Aurora! Aurora! Come on lang, sweat! Or over there. Basa man na. Mag-ura man ko ni ulan. Oh, here lang. I catch you here. Here.
1, 2.
Okay.
1, 2.
Oh.
It's wet nga
Go
daw.
back there. Go back. Go back the small one.
Ah, sige na. 1, 2.
Mama catch you. Mama catch you. Come on. It's okay. Mama catch you.
Undecided na. Basa din kasi dun eh. Kaya ayaw niya. Punasan mo kaya?
Wala. May tissue ka dyan?
Wala.
Wet?
Sige na. Ah, no more wet na. Sige na.
Okay, no more wet.
1, 2. Basang-basa mo.
I got you. We go to other park.
Basang-basa
over there.
yung
Come on.
puwet.
Let's go. Moving to other park there. Orange Park. Let's go, mommy. Let's go. Here, this side. Sandal lang ako. Stand there. Gusto mo na. Other side here. Other side. Come on. Here, come on.
Bakit? Basa yung puwet kasi. Go. Jump. Yay! Again, your turn. Woo! One more. Yay! Are you happy?
Mama Chu. Mama, sorry. Ah, no. Hey, come on. Go na. Follow Mama. Here. The orange one. Very nice.
There, oh. There, oh.
Aurora.
What's that?
Wow, nice din. Saan siya, te? Nakakat lagi siya, te. Ano kaya walang bataan niyo? Tidanlog, te, ha? Mahulog gani.
Tapos na.
Bigyan mo ako. Matugka, matagubak-ubak niyo ng bata ko, eh. Here lang, dry. Here. Wow, te, at castle. Very nice.
Go.
Wow. Dito na lang kayo, te. Araw-araw.
Sige na, go.
Come on. Woo! Smile. Wow! Dry man dito. Oh. Dito yung mga alaga ko lahat. Gusto nila dito.
Go. You wanna go again?
Run here. Mama here. Run here lang. From here lang. Here lang ah. Wow, coming. Go upstairs. Ay, oh. Okay. Pagka siya dito. Taas pa dito ay. Nakasbots pa jud. Dili siya mo practice aniti. Kani o. Anyat. O kani po dirty o.
Hi. Go na. Go over there na.
Alam mo lahat yung castle tingnan na.
Ganda nga.
Ito yung favorite ng aking alaga. Mayroon din dyan sa gitna te. Nakapunta kayo dyan sa gitna?
Hindi pa.
Puntahan natin.
Ano yan dun?
Maganda rin. Pero may swing doon.
Okay, slide na.
Slide. Ganda dito. Tingnan mo.
Wow. Slide. 1, 2, 3, go.
I play in the muddy puddle.
Picture daw kita eh. Picture ta mamin din.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Ow!
Hold the other side.
Ouch!
Hold the other side.
Doon ba? Ano ba doon?
Isa ano yan?
Ah, stairs lang. This one lang.
Ay, ang ganda.
Can you do this one?
Ay, sorry te.
Here you go. Okay, go up.
Go up there. So nice.
Yeah, let's try.
Step 1. One by one ah. Okay.
Okay.
Then,
Jump.
another one. Then, other one.
Okay.
Then,
Wow, easy.
easy raman mo lang, oy.
Easy peasy.
Good job. So good. Grabe na. There. The long. You want to slide over there on the top?
No.
Okay, come on ah. There's a stairs over there. Here. Ang stairs dito eh. Te, ito. Punta doon. Come on, bye-bye.
Go over here, oh. Over here. Here.
Here are stairs here.
Oh, here. Go up.
I'm going up.
Here.
I can go up.
Yeah,
Mom.
you can go up over here.
I can go.
You can go.
I can go up.
Yeah.
That's the stairs going there. Go.
Wow.
Wow, it's a castle over there.
I don't like it, Mommy.
You like it?
I don't like it.
I don't like it. It's okay. Okay, it's okay if you don't like it.
Wow, bye-bye.
Okay, let's go to the muddy puddles. Come on.
Come on na, come on. So dito yung school, nalikod ng aming bahay, ang laki. So dito namin papaaralin si Aurora next year. 4 years old si Aurora, magki-kinder 1. So takbo-takbuhin na lang niya dito. O di ba Aurora? Did you like it? Oh, see? You like it. Oh. Oh, wow, you like it. Oh? Gusto niya, oh. Bird. That's a sounds of bird. Come on. Lo. Lo. Uy. Lo karon. Ano kaya yan, te? Taniman? Ganda rin mga bahay dito, te, oh. No? Taniman, te? Shid lang.
I like your hat.
Oh, you like my hat? How about my earrings?
I like my earring.
How about my lips?
I
Kiss mo Bill. Kasi may lipstick. Kiss mama again. Kilig na kilig siya pag may lipstick eh. How about my eyes? Did you like it?
yeah.
Oh, eyebrow. Ang cute-cute naman ng batang to. Kiss mo mang Bill. Kiss mo. Sweet naman na bata.
Go to Muddy Pig.
Oh, sorry. Almost! Kiran, Ren! Almost! Almost!
Jogging.
Jogging daw.
Jogging.
Yuri, ay! You're tall na, Inday? Inday! Where's the water, Inday? Mayroon ba dyan? Yan oh, pa-step mo na lang dyan. Sige na. May ipik. Oh. Kawawa naman ng apo ko. Sige na, hanap tayo ng tubig doon sa bahay. Yun na. Oh, enough na. Go, go na. Dumami na. Run. Step na. Step. 1, 2. Jump. Grabe. Go jump.
My hand.
In your hands. It's okay. Oh, there. There's a water there. Go, go, mommy. Faster. There. There's a water there. Faster, mommy. Mommy, there. La. Dog. There, water. Oh, go na. Run to mommy. No, it's okay. It's our neighbor. It's our neighbor lang. Yan. Go, 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 go. Yay! Oh, grabe na. Uy. Wow! Oh! Then more. Wow!
Squish.
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 Splish, splash.
Splish. This way, Mama.
Oh,
and
miss.
Mommy.
Na. But apil-apilon. Punta ni mo eh.
Wow.
It's okay.
Like this faster.
Faster.
Like this.
Cute naman. Oops. Stop. Go. Faster. Okay. Let's go na.
Like this.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah.
How about the big one? Oh my. The big one. Oh my gosh. What's that? Oh no. The big one. Oh my God, pasok sa loob. Laban mo yan, te, ha? Yeah, okay, step! Jump! Jump! Puno ng tubig ata. Iiw. Yeah, there's a fish. There's a fish. Naging itim kasi.
What happened?
Oh my! Yucky.
Yuck.
Ang ganun. Yucky. It's a poop. Come on. Where's our house? Okay, sige. Okay, step. Oh. Kawawa naman. Okay, where's daddy? Oh, where's Papang? Okay, where's Papang? Papang there. Go, mami na. Go, our house there na. There, oh, house na. Yeah. Run. Run na. Run, pare, may ano. Oh. Wow. Nag-enjoy. Let's go.
Mama, dito ka to.
Chu. Okay na. There's a car coming. Okay, go home. Go, mami na. Stay. Kakarating lang namin ni Aurora. Sobrang nag-enjoy siya sa tubig. Grabe, walang basa na. Oh, punong-puno. Sana nagustuhan niyo ang video ito. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa akin, Lily Baclayo Vlogs para kasama ko kayo sa aming paglalakbay dito sa Canada. Bye!
Bye.
Where's Papang? Over there!